All right, 5:44 is the time. Incredible stuff. Again, coming in last night and still this morning. Pictures, photos, and even some video of what was going on to the south of us. This is courtesy of Bob Dunn, one of our spotters, getting this large tornado on the ground down in southern Cass County here. And there's actually a crowd of people kind of watching that off in the distance. It looks like the National Weather Service is going to send some survey teams down there this morning and assess this. Matt and I were guessing, again, just looking at some of the damage and the size of this, probably an EF2, maybe even an EF3. So we'll see, but obviously very active stuff down to the south of us yesterday afternoon and evening. Fortunately, much quieter this morning. Right now, we're looking at just scattered clouds. It's cool, 51, but given the fact we have light winds and all this recent rain, the humidity's high, even a little bit of light fog out there, I noticed. Not a huge deal yet. We'll watch that. But you could encounter some locally dense fog, especially in the low-lying areas. Otherwise, as we dry out, we stay cool, comfortable. 51 right now in Lincoln. Beatrice, you've seen your temperature slip all the way to 48. It's now down to 47 in Wayne, and a little bit warmer on average on the Iowa side. Closer to the system, still upper 50s for Denison and Carroll. It has cooled to 54, though, down in Clarinda. All right, here's the rain. Dying showers, fortunately, because they saw about 2 to 4 inches of additional rain through parts of northeast Nebraska. You folks actually had some severe weather last night. Thunderstorm warnings going out after what happened down to the south, where we had large hail, flooding rains, locally 6 inches of rain in Lincoln, and obviously a couple confirmed reports of tornadoes, again, just to the south of town. And you can see, fortunately, 2 to the northeast, where I walked in this morning. We had flood warnings for Carroll County there, things beginning to diminish off to the northeast as well. So the best news of all is we get a break today. I think we'll see clouds give way to a little bit of sunshine. Temperatures warming up, upper 60s to near 70 by noon, and you can see highs today should be close to 80 degrees. And then watch what happens. Later this evening through the overnight, more rain, embedded storms move back in, and some of these could be heavy. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center already has us under a marginal risk, which means a couple isolated severe storms or at least some wind and some hail with some of this. So we'll watch that, and that's for later tonight into early tomorrow. And then it looks like the threats for severe weather would push south and east of us during the day tomorrow. All right, updated look again at our projected rainfall totals. Again, this would be tonight through first thing Thursday morning. And you can see still about 1/3 of an inch here, bullseye northeastern Nebraska for heavier stuff, but this will continue to update as we go through the morning, because I'm thinking locally we could see another 1/2 inch to an inch with this next round of weather. Not today, though. We're dry. Partly sunny, kind of humid with a high of 80. Tonight, yes, showers and storms return to our forecast as lows drop to 54. Winds stay pretty light out of the east-southeast, and then expect rain for a good part of the day on and off tomorrow. Showers, embedded thunderstorms, and once again, a few of those could be heavy. Otherwise, pleasant weather Thursday, a high of 70. Maybe a few showers Friday. I'm not anticipating severe weather. That looks to be light. It will not be a washout. Most of Friday looks very nice with a few more clouds at 70. And then here comes the fall-like stuff for the weekend. We may wake up to near 40 degrees. Saturday morning, partly sunny, only 63 there. And then, of course, more showers back in the forecast later Sunday on into Monday. So with those heavy weather threats potentially again overnight into early tomorrow, you may want to download Storm Shield to your smartphone. Great weather app to have. We've been putting that thing to use a lot on and off the last couple of weeks. Hopefully not tonight, but that is a possibility. And if you get those watches or warnings, they'll send that right to your phone. And, of course, you can track the rain on the radar feature of that app there. All right, right now, 5:48. Stay with us. More right after the break.